Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. I stated in the first video, this labeling has a starting and stopping spot. Now, my text is all the same, and this has shorter wordage because the second line or the third line stops right there. I'm going to make them all the same, just like I did before, but I'm going to create a starting and stopping place. So I'm going to take a rectangle, and I'm going to create my starting or stopping place. And I'm going to go right to the midpoint of that box. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard because I want them all in the same exact spot. There's the midpoint, hit the plus key on the keyboard. And another way you could do this, they're all spaced out the same. So I could go right there and well, that one's shorter. I could lift it straight up. There's the midpoint. Now what I need to do is take my virtual segment delete key and delete that inside line. That's going to make my triangle shorter. Now I can grab all three of the boxes because I'm not grabbing the entire thing. Now we need to remeasure. So I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And I'm going to click on the first one, and you can see I'm going to call it 49. I wouldn't do this if I was doing it for myself. I would just write it down on a piece of paper, but this way we'll be able to see it all on the monitor. This one is, this one is 46. So we're going to go here and make it 46. And hit enter, or you got to hit OK to change it. And now this one is, go to curve, and it is 43 basically. So we need to make our lines that long. So now I've got the length. So the first line needs to be 49. I'm going to make it like 47. So I've got my ratio locked. This one should be 46. I'm going to make it 44. And then this one should be 43. I'm going to make it like 41. Now I can take my first text, go up to text, text to path, put it on my path, but then I'm going to bring it all the way around. I'm having a little bit of difficulty to that starting spot. Okay. Now I'm going to grab the second line, text to path, go right there to that starting spot, grab the next one, text to path, go to that starting line. I think it actually got it on the inside of it. It need to be all on the outside. There we go. Now, I'm not going to break them apart yet because I want to see if they're in the right spot. So I'm going to nudge this guy over. And it's slowing down my computer because of the fact that it's got so much going on. And I actually went one too many on that one. And then select that. So now you can see that we have a starting spot. Now it's my text is a little bit thick still because it's running into the other one. But if we take now and select it all and go up to object and break the 7 objects apart, we can actually grab these 3 lines. We can grab that line and delete it, that line and delete it, that line and delete it, and we are done. You'd want to leave the outside line, and we'll color it in with some sort of yellow. It should stop. Yeah, there we go. Now, that's not the best way to do it. The best way to do it would be to grab the rectangle, move it out of the way, turn it yellow, go back up, and that's what it's going to look like. We're pretty close. We're dead on the starting spot, but if my text was shorter, it would look like that. I hope that helps a little bit. Thank you for watching.